Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add a brand new location to Google Maps. Whether it's your business, a favorite local spot, or just a place that doesn't show up yet. First, open up the Google Maps app and zoom into the area where the missing place should be. It could be a tiny cafe, a new park, or a corner shop in your neighborhood. Just pinch and zoom until you're close to the exact spot. Now press and hold on that location to drop a pin. You'll see some details pop up at the bottom. Sometimes it lets you label the place as your home or work. But that's just for your personal view, to add this location publicly so everyone can see it. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap Add a Missing Place. Now it's time to fill in the details. Add the name of the place, choose a category like restaurant, hospital, store or school, and type in the address. You can also adjust the pin location by tapping on it and dragging it to the exact spot. Want to make your submission even more useful? Add the contact number, website, opening hours, and even photos if you have them. All of these help Google verify and improve the listing. Once you're done, hit submit and that's it. Google will review the info and if everything checks out, your new location will show up publicly within a few days. If you're a business owner, you can also tap Add Your Business from the same profile menu. Follow the steps, answer all the questions, and you'll be guided through the process to get your business officially listed on Maps. And that's how easy it is to add a new place to Google Maps. If this helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips just like this. See you in the next one.